Do subscribe to MJTube and hit on bell icon for latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back again. I'm MJ. In this video, I'll show you how to check iPhone condition. That means whether you're using new phone or refurbished or personalized or replacement phone. So you can check this easily in your iPhone. So this will help you when you're going to buy the second-hand phone. So before you buy it, you can check it. So for this, you need to go to iPhone setting and then go to Journal, then tap on About, and here you can see the model number. So my model number starts from M. So if you don't see the model number, just tap on the model number. You will get the model number here. Just tap on and you will get the model number. So first letter is important. So my model number starts from M letter. So as you can see, MG. So first letter is important. Remember the first letter, and then open any browser in your desktop or iPhone or any other phone. Okay, then open the Google. In the Google, just type iPhone condition check and open any website. So here it will give the full detail about the model number. So if your model number starts from M, that means your phone is brand new. As you can see here, M, brand new device. And if your model number starts from F, that means you are using refurbished device. If your model number has N, that means you have a replacement device. And if your model number starts from P, that means personalized device. So here are the four categories: M, F, and P. It's clearly mentioned. If your model number starts from the M, that means you are using brand new iPhone, and F means refurbished. So like this, you can check iPhone condition before you buy. If you want, you can check your existing phone. So that is a simple way. So thanks for watching guys. Catch you next video. Please like, share and subscribe.